Alright guys, there's date and time, undergarment for under 620. In this video we're going to ride the elevator here at the Fremont Public Library in Mundelein, Illinois. And according to that floor indicator right there, I don't know if you guys can see it well or not. Looks like we got a Schumacher. Let's take it for a ride. Got Adam's designer call button. And here's the elevator. So we're going to go at 2. That is one slow closing door. I'm going to watch the indicator. Here are 2. The door on this thing both opens and closes slowly. So now let's go on the 1. Yeah, it's definitely a Schumacher judging by the indicator. So now let's get our cab view. It's a pretty nice cab for a library. I like the contrast of this material between this material and that material down there. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, there's your phone indicator and your emergency light above. Fire service instructions. Here's your COP. Here's your phone. There's your inspection certificate if you want to pause to read. So now exit the elevator. I'm going to watch it close up. There it goes. And that's it.